You can have the best affiliate product in the world. You can have perfect SEO. You can have a great thumbnail. But if your content does not convert, none of it matters. Not a single sales. Most affiliate marketers focus everything on getting views. And they completely ignore the one thing that actually turns those views into commissions. The way they write and deliver their content. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to write affiliate marketing content that converts without ever feeling pushy, salesy, or fake. Let's get into it. My name is Francis. I document my real affiliate marketing journey every single week on this channel. Today, I'm breaking down the exact content writing system I use to convert viewers into buyer without ever feeling like I am selling. Let's go. Step 1. Lead with the problem, not the product. This is the single biggest mistake I see affiliate marketers make. They open their content by talking about their product immediately. Today, I am reviewing this course. Today, I want to tell you about these tools. And that moment they do that, the viewer's guard goes up. They know they're about to be sold something and they switch off. The professional approach is the complete opposite. You lead with the problem your viewers is experiencing. You describe their pain so accurately that they feel like you're reading their mind. And when someone feels deeply understood, they trust you. And when they trust you, they buy from you. So before you write a single word of content, ask yourself this one question. What is the exact problem my viewers woke up with this morning? Answer that question first. Talk about the products again. That shift alone will completely change your conversion rate. Step 2. Educate before you recommend. Nobody wants to be sold to, but everybody wants to learn something valuable. So your job as an affiliate marketer is to be educator first and the recommenders again. Here is what this looks like in practice. Instead of saying, buy this product, it will help you, you teach your viewers something genuinely useful first. You give them a real insight, a real strategy, a real step they can take today. And then naturally and honestly you say, and if you want to go deeper on this, the resource I personally use is linked below. Do you see the difference? In the first version, you ask about them to trust a stranger. In the second version, you have already proven you are worth trusting by giving them something valuable first. The recommendations comes after the value, not instead of it. Educate first, recommend second every single time. Step 3. Use honest specificity. Vague content does not convert ever. When you say this course is really good and it helped me a lot, nobody's believe you because that is what every affiliate marketer say about every product they promote. But when you say this course helped me understand exactly how to structure my YouTube description so that YouTube ranks my video inserts, that is specific, that is believable. This is the kind of detail that makes a viewer think this person actually know what they're talking about. Specificity builds credibility and credibility converts. So every time you talk about a product in your content, give one specific, honest, real detail about what it does or what it helps you understand. Not a general statement, not a vague claim, one specific honest thing. That one detail will do more of your conversion rate than 100 generic recommendations. Step 4. And with a soft, natural call to action. Most beginners either never mention their affiliate link at all, or they go to the complete opposite extreme and beg people to click it at the end of every video. Both approach fail. The right approach is a soft, natural call to action that feels like a genuine recommendation from a trusted friend, something like, if everything I covered today resonates with you and you want a structured system to follow, the link is in the description. Go check it out when you are ready. That is it. No pressure, no countdown, no limited time offer. Just a calm, honest pointer to a resource you genuinely believe in. The softer your call to action sounds, the more trustworthy you appear. And the more trustworthy you appear, the higher your conversion rate. This sounds counterintuitive, but it is one of the most proven principles in affiliate marketing. Soft, natural, honest, this is your call to action every single time. Step 5, and this is the one most people never think about. Be consistent with your voice. Your content voice is your biggest conversion asset. When viewers watch 3 or 4 of your videos and they all sound the same tone, same honesty, same personality, they start to feel like they know you personally. And people buy from people they feel they know. The moment you start trying to sound like another creator or use language that does not feel like natural to you or adopt a style that is not authentically yours, your audience feel it, the trust breaks. And when the trust breaks, conversion stops. So write your content in your own voice, talk the way you actually talk, use the word you actually use. Your authenticity is not a weakness, it is your most powerful conversion tool. One resource that helped me understand all 5 of these principles properly in a structured way instead of piecing it together from random videos is linked in the description below. It gives me a clear system for creating content that converts and it is what I personally follow every single week. Check it out when you're ready, no pressure at all. So here are your 5 steps. Lead with the problem, not the product. Educate before you recommend. Use honest specificity and with a soft, natural call to action. And be consistent with your voice. Apply all 5 of these to your next piece of content and watch what happens to your conversion rate. I'm Francis and I post a new video every single week documenting this journey honestly. If this helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss what is coming next. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 steps you're going to apply first. I read every single comment and I will reply to you personally. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.